If you're new to Telegram and want to invite your friends to join the fun, you're in the right place. Today we'll show you how to add friends on Telegram and invite them to use the app. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your smartphone. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Telegram and download it. Once the app is installed, log in with your phone number. To add friends on Telegram, tap on the hamburger menu, the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen to open the sidebar menu. Or if you have iPhone, you can find the contacts directly, and this will show you a list of phone contacts who are already using Telegram. To invite friends who are not on Telegram yet, tap on invite friends at the top of the contact screen. Here you will see a list of your phone contacts. You can select individual contacts you want to invite by tapping the check boxes next to their names. Once you've selected the people you want to invite, tap on the invite to Telegram. This will send an invitation via SMS or other messaging apps to let them know about Telegram. Now your friends will receive an invitation link that they can use to download Telegram and join your contact list. And that's it. Now you successfully invited your friends to join Telegram.